Titan was established in 1993. Through these stores, we cater to the Indian market by giving them not only international quality and international standard of designs in the jewelry, but we also give them intensified, custom-made jewelry experience.
Pretty much a customer comes with an idea. So we take a brief, we look at the possibilities, of converting it into a piece of jewelry that they should be able to wear, not just once or twice, but as often as possible. Then we put pen down to paper and create some sketches for them. After that, we take it into a more technical process wherein the CAD designers come into play and they start creating the piece in 3D. And an output is generated from it, the resin, where the customer gets to actually try on the piece, whether it's a pendant or a ring or a earring. So once that process is cleared and approved by the customer, it's a straightforward production.
So in order to be able to achieve that kind of level of quality that we're catering to the international market, we have been investing a lot in technology.
We are using best of the machineries and tools. For example, we have a high-tech casting machine, wax injectors, laser machine. We always set our stones under microscope only, and that reflects our eye for detailing.
And training of the existing workforce by bringing in internationally acclaimed consultants for manufacturing, for the creative side of the business.
In terms of design, my aim, and actually the aim of the company, is to give an impression and give emotions related to the Western culture mixed to the Indian one.
I'm very happy for this work and the possibility that life give me for this work. And I work to 100% of my possibility for teach the worker and follow the eye target. This is my idea. I'm very happy.
So it's almost like a dream come true for the customer, which is very important for us at Love is Forever, that all of our customers go back completely satisfied.
Beautiful.
I think the finish has been better than any I've encountered.
Every time I've either worn them and shown them to somebody, they all tell me about how unique they are, how different.
It's, I suspect, world class.
So the design we proposed had a few flaws with the structure, especially when it's being used on a daily basis. So when you give that structure reinforcement and you explain that on a daily basis, when you squeeze these things, the diamond would come off. This is not something anybody else would have, even paid attention to. And the fact that you thought of that and made that suggestion, and it just makes us feel a lot safer about using the jewelry on a regular basis.
They have very beautiful jewelry. I think the best match about is that they enhance my clothes very well. They're very subtle. They're classy, they're timeless pieces which has been created by the brand. So I'm pretty much excited about how two brands are going together and showing the collection for this show.
So this Design Diva competition is basically an opportunity or a platform for you as an individual to express your creative side and express it in a piece of jewelry, wherein these entries over a period of 1 year is put on social media, wherein we expose these designs or these creative ideas to a larger platform and get the maximum votes. The top 5 entries after that go through a panel of judges, wherein the originality of the design, the complexity of the design, maybe even the simplicity of the design is all evaluated, and they get an opportunity to win a prize. We thank you all for taking the time out and spending this evening with us. A very warm welcome to each and every one of you. Enjoy the show.